Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the character Ness from the Super Smash Bros. Game. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out drawing the overall shape of his head first. So we're just going to draw in one line, and this is going to be the bottom of his cap. And then from there we're just kind of drawing one big U shape. So it's going to be one big bowl. And this part could be a little bit tricky. And then after this, let's just go ahead and finish up the cap. For the cap, it's really simple. I'm just going to extend this line. And then I'm going to come all the way back toward here. Okay, so that's the visor area. So we just stop there. And then from here, we're just going to finish off the curve on the top. So continue with this line here. Just going to go up. And curve it all the way around. I'm going to make it slightly bigger than the head. And then just close that off. Alright, and then once we have that, let's draw in the features on the face. Before drawing the eyes, let's draw in the hair because it's right in the middle here. Right in the middle. Add two lines like this first. And then we're going to curve in. And in the middle here, we're just going to draw two more lines, and then just curve that. Okay, so it's got like 3 strands of hair. And on the side as well. Okay, and then from here we can draw in his eye. So right in the middle, come over to the side, we're going to draw one oval shape. And then over here, around this corner. Okay, and let me just quickly shade this in real quick. Right, and then from there, the rest of the face is really simple. So right in the middle here, come down slightly and just make a little mark for his nose. And then right underneath, just gonna give him a little smile. And that's pretty much it for his face. And let's draw in his ear. So just come out right around the eye area, come out to the side. Just one little curve. And then let's finish up the hat. So in the hat, just come up to the middle. I'm going to draw one curve coming down. Okay, this part could be a little bit tricky. Okay, so right here, just start off very narrow on the top and just come straight down. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. The body is really simple, so you won't be able to see his neck here. We just start on the side here and come down. And here's the bottom of his shirt. And then let's just keep going down. I'll draw a short here. This is pretty much the same line. And then come back to the middle. Draw a little angle like this. And then we'll just connect those. So that's going to be a short. Alright, so let's go back up here, and he's got 2 straps. So right here. And then for the buckle, I'm just going to add in a little square right in the middle here somewhere. And to finish off his shirt here, for his sleeve, just come back here to the corner, slant out, and then just come in. Okay, so start in the corner, come out, and just go right back in to the body. Alright, so now we're going to draw one of his arms, and it's going to be kind of tucked away on the side here. So just come down slightly, and then this part here, just draw one curve like this first. Okay, and then now for the back side, come down, here's the elbow, come in, and then his hand's gonna be tucked here, so I'm just gonna go right behind that line. Okay, so it's kind of an odd shape, but he's kind of bending his wrist. Okay, and then for his other arm, he's going to be holding his bat. So we're going to go kind of straight. Come back to the corner right around here. this straight out, and then just draw 2 brackets. And then in here, we can just close it with a curve. All right, so let's finish up the rest of the body first before drawing the bat. So let's move on to his legs. So come down here. It's gonna be pretty skinny. Close it off with a slight curve, and then we're gonna continue with that dome shape. Let's come down. Close it off, and let's just add in some little details. And he's got his socks right here, so I'll just put a line, nice and easy. And in here, same thing, come down. Just use the other side for reference. Close it, and then curve down. Just come out more on this side. Same detail and for the sock. So very cartoony and easy to draw. So let's finish up the drawing with the bat. So right here, I'm just gonna draw, you can pick, let's start on the bottom here. I'm just gonna draw one line going out. And then I'm gonna come back up here, draw the same line, just kind of flare it out slightly. A little bit bigger on the tip here, and then I'm just gonna round it off. Let's add in one curve like this for the wrappings. And then I'm gonna continue this on the back, because we can still see some of it on the back. Okay, so continue this line, and then we're just gonna draw one little curve, closing that off. Okay, and then lastly, it's got some stripes on the shirt, so that's gonna be really easy. So I'm just gonna draw one stripe here, and then let's just draw one more on the bottom here. And we'll be able to see those when I color them. And then on the sleeves as well, we should add in one stripe. And that is it for this Ness drawing. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.